Let me be real with you. If you've been fighting sugar for years and you keep falling back again and again, I already know how that feels, because that was me. Not once, not twice. I'm talking about over and over again. I would say I'm done, and I meant it. I would pray about it, ask God to help me stop, and I was serious. But then, not long after that, I'd get up and go right back to the same thing. And I still did it, and it messed me up. I believe that's what you call real addiction. Because let me tell you, this wasn't a small thing. This was something that haunted me. This was my main problem, my appetite, and more than that, sugar. That thing had a hold on me. And what made it worse, I knew better. I wasn't confused. I wasn't guessing. I knew exactly what I was doing. And I still did it. And that does something to you. It makes you start questioning yourself. Like, what is wrong with me? And I had to face this. Nothing was wrong with me, but something was missing. And if you stay with me for just a second, I want to show you what that is. Because this is bigger than willpower. If it was just willpower, I would have been done a long time ago. The problem was, I didn't have anything in place for when the pressure hit. Because let's be honest, you don't fall off when everything is calm. You fall off when you're tired, stressed, overwhelmed. That's when it happens. That's when you go right back. And if you don't fix that part, you can lose the weight, hit your goal, and still find yourself right back where you started. I've lived that too, and it hits harder the second time. That's when I realized I don't need to just try harder. I need something that actually works when life is happening. So I changed something. Not everything. Just enough to break the pattern. And that's what this is. It's not complicated, it's not hype, it's just a simple 3-day reset. 3 days to interrupt what's been running in the background for years. 3 days to slow it down and get control back. And most importantly, to prove to yourself you're not stuck. Try it and see what happens. If any part of this felt like you, don't ignore it. Start with the 3-day reset. The link is in the description. This might be the step you've been asking for. Start today.